Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Santa's Workshop. This week's video, I'm bringing the Mustang back. We are doing a radiator overflow bottle. The original had a crack in it. Cost about 120 bucks to get a used one on eBay, or I could get an aftermarket aluminum polished overflow bottle with a sight glass for around 35. So we're going with the aluminum one. So I got to make a bracket for that, and I want to show you how I fabricated that. And then second part of the video, I'm going to go through the stereo system, show you what all I have done with that. I don't have video, unfortunately, but I did take quite a few pictures, so I will show you what I did on that. And of course, if you have any questions, comment, let me know. I will do my best to answer for you. That being said, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. That man has helped me tremendously getting this video up and going. And since my last video, I have hit over 1,000 subscribers thanks to Randy. If you do not know who he is, if you found me on your own, look up his link. I'm going to have it right down below. And click on him. He's a great fella. Thank you, Randy. 1,000 subscribers. Yes! We got the subscribers. I just need the views. Now then, please comment, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification button, follow me. Let's get this thing built and going, and let's see what I can do. Thank you all. Now to the video. ladies and gentlemen, there it is, one eBay aluminum overflow bottle. We got her installed right where the factory one was. Put a brace going all the way down. Get over here where you can see that. It is solid. It is not going to vibrate and rattle. I think it looks mighty good. Hello again, everybody. Here we have the speaker box that I built for the back of my Mustang. It is made out of 5/8 MDF. I used almost a full bottle of glue gluing it together because you never can have too much when building one of these. I laminated 2 pieces of it together and ground it down with an 80 grit grinder to get the curve for the back glass. If you notice, the inside is separated into 3 sections. The sub is sealed, so it does not have that buzz. Here it is with the noise dampener on top with the carpet around the sides. And I put little hidden nuts in it so I could bolt it to the underside of the package deck. Here it is with the speakers mocked up in it. The sub I screwed down because I could put it in with it mounted. The other speakers bolted to the metal that was still on the package deck where the factory ones were. And you can see the portholes, which the package deck cover actually has a grill in them in that area. There they are in the back glass. You can see how everything fitted in. You can see the bolts. I've got 6 bolts holding it up, so it's not going to go anywhere. And here it is mounted up in there. I've got the factory wires hooked up so I can test the speakers, make sure everything sounded good. And this little thing, I found it on eBay. It's made out of 1/8" steel, I believe. Been ground down. I just clear coated it to keep it from rusting and put it in. I think it makes a fine addition. Here are the amps with from the trunk view with the seats up. I was checking to make sure for clearance and make sure I had no kinks in the wires. Here is the front of the sub box after I got the speaker wires ran and the power wire ran to it. I have not run the wires for the amplifiers as of yet. But it makes a nice, neat little setup. Here are the amps after the wires were run. I put spacers underneath for airflow and to run the wires under, and made sure I had enough slack to where when I shut the seats up, it did not pinch anywhere. I put the speaker wires in loom since they were so small and like to knot up like a bunch of snakes, and the solid power wires we left bare. Here's a picture of it with the seats down from the trunk side looking all the way to the dash. Put a new truck mat in it. All the trim pieces are back up. You can see the spacers under the amps. And of course my little Mustang right there in the center. This is the stereo that I put in for the head unit. It's an Alpine CDE 172 BT. Works phenomenal. I would recommend these greatly. It does a good job. And this is the 1500 amp for the sub. It's just an 8-inch sub, so I've got it turned down a little bit. I could have put a higher powered sub in there, but I wasn't sure how much room I was going to end up having. This one does a pretty nice job, and it sounds crisp and clear. This is the sound matting I bought for the car. One order did almost the complete car. I did the inside of the door panels, up against the door skin and the inner door panel where it goes up against the door frame. Here's the 2,000 watt amp that I got for the rest of the factory speakers. There's running 4 speakers, Pioneer 360 watt speakers off of this. I ordered them both thinking they were going to be the gray and black, which was going to stick with the theme of the car, and one of them turned out to be red. I contemplated painting, but decided not to. This is the overflow bottle that I put on in the first part of the video. I just wanted to throw it up so you can see the actual price of it, $31.99 plus tax, so right around $35. It worked phenomenal. I love that thing. I want to thank you all for joining me on this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that comment button, hit the notification button. Please, let's keep this channel going. I love you all being here with me, and of course, send me comments. Let me know what you think and what you'd like to see. Thank you. See you next week.